How to turn on or turn off Ask for PIN before unpinning on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top. Next, tap on the settings icon. Now in the settings page, we then scroll down and tap on security and privacy. After that, we go down. In here, tap on more security settings and then scroll down to the bottom. Now tap on PIN app, tap on the left hand side panel, and then go down and tap on Ask for PIN before unpinning. Tap on that to switch it on. When this is turned on, then when an app has been pinned, to unpin it, you will need a passcode. So here, if I pin app, for example, I'm going to pin this app right here. Then when I want to unpin it, it will ask me to pin a pin. So here, if I don't pin a pin, then I will not be able to unpin it. This time I will turn off Ask for PIN before unpinning, so I will switch it off now. Again, I'll go back in here and pin the app. This time you can see I can unlock the app without the need to put in the pin. So I can press and hold on the recent key and the back key. And that's it. The app has been unpinned and I do not need to put in the passcode. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.